Hello and welcome back everybody. If you're having trouble signing in into your Merrill Edge account, you may follow out this step-by-step checklist based on your official guidelines, so you can just go over and start it. So first of all, we can head over to merrilledge.com and head over to the login page and we can verify our credentials. So in this user ID and password section, make sure that your user ID and your password are correct and check for typos, extra spaces, or wrong capitalization. And if unsure, you can look out for this option called forgot password to reset. And also make sure that you are on the official site, which is this one right here, and ensure it's starting from HTTPS. And you can clear out the browse cache and cookies as well. So go to your settings of your browser, look out for the three dot, go to settings, go to privacy and security, and look out for delete browsing data. From there, select cookies and other site data, and click on this option called delete data, and go ahead and confirm it up. Once you do so, you can restart your browser and then try again. And Merrill Edge works best on Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox and latest browser versions, and avoid outdated browsers or unsupported devices, and also enable two-step verification for your account. And if you have verification codes enabled, you can make sure that you're using the correct code while you're trying to log in, and also ensure your time settings on your device is correct. And also disable VPN or proxy, because sometimes they may block the login, so you can try signing in from a regular home network. And if nothing else works, you can also look out for the support team. Help is available in their site directly. You can use their phone number or look out for the live chat as well and use that in order to contact them for any kind of issues. And that is it, everybody. Those are probably some of the troubleshooting methods you can follow up if you're having issue with Merrill Edge. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.